There's massive backlash to this company redesigning and simplifying their logo, and every time this happens, I beg people to go look up the 2009 Pepsi rebrand. I think all of us have the same question. What thought process goes into making a change like this? Because companies never radically change their logo. McDonald's isn't going to replace their clown with a shark. It's always just tweaking the same colors and designs. So if you're a normal person, you're thinking that in 2008, Pepsi was like, we ought to refresh this a little bit. And maybe had their designers come up with several variations before finally saying, well, we like how this kind of makes the white stripe look like a mouth or something, like it's smiling at you. But in reality, that tiny little tweak to their logo was the result of them allegedly paying over $1 million to a brand consulting firm. And after that tweak was met with backlash, the design document was leaked. A 27-page document they allegedly presented to Pepsi, filled with diagrams explaining how the new design tapped into the gravitational energies of the universe. It straight up reads like the rantings of somebody having a literal breakdown. The document goes on, giving a glimpse into the kind of obsessive overthinking behind corporate decisions, even for something as simple as changing the shape of that white stripe. It begins with a graph demonstrating the intersection of convention, DNA, and future innovation. They labeled their redesign breathtaking, claiming it was based on 5,000 years of design philosophy. There's a graph showing how every element of the change borrows from ancient design, plus notes on measuring the perimeter oscillations of past Pepsi logos, aligning magnetic fields of the planet with Pepsi energy fields, and how the new logo's Pepsi Globe dynamics supposedly match the way Earth's magnetic dynamics are impacted by solar radiation and wind. In short, they spent $1 million and weeks of work to explain to a giant corporation why they should go from this to this. Whether or not you like the new logo, the reasoning behind it reads like the rantings of madmen.